off day 3 of our Annapurna cycling adventure with a breakfast that hit all the right spots. For us Iranians, bread isn't just food, it's a piece of home, a warm memory. But here in Nepal, bread tells a different story. With rugged, hard-to-reach trails crisscrossing these mountains, baking fresh bread is no easy feat. It's scarce, made in small batches, and comes with a price tag to match.
ما دیشب رو تو این روستای تال موندیم. خواستیم از این مسیر مارو که اونوره از رودخونه از اونجا بریم که گفتن از اونجا نرین، راه بسته است یا پلش شکسته بود یا همچین چیزی. بیسکویت حاوی عسل
فوق سمی نریزه بخور حالا یه شات قهوه فوق سمی عسل هم ارگانیک.
Today's route took us from the quaint village of Tal to Darapani, a path that's as challenging as it is breathtaking. Picture this: rocky trails that test every ounce of your strength, winding through landscapes dotted with cascading waterfalls that seem to whisper secrets of the Himalayas. The scenery was unreal, like something out of a dream.
اولین نماز قلل آناپورنا. این مسیری که اومدیم گل اینجا فوق العاده است.
And then it happened, the moment we'd been waiting for. After hours of grinding through the trail, we caught our first glimpse of the mighty Annapurna peaks, their snow-capped summits piercing the sky. And not just Annapurna, Manaslu, another Himalayan giant, stood proudly in the distance. It was the kind of view that stops you in your tracks, makes you forget the burning in your legs, and reminds you why you're out here in the first place.
Hello. Namaste. Namaste. No. قله اطراف ماناسلوه، نزدیک 6000 این. حالا فقط یه تیکه میچرخونم گوشی رو نگاه کن. و اینجا اینا تک تک دعاهای تبتیه که برای بودایی ها و خود نپالی ها در واقع خیلی احترام قائلی.
اون رو نگاه کنی، اون رو نگاه کنی، کجا رو نگاه کنم؟
فقط این نور خورشید رو نکن، خیلی خوشگله.
من اینجا بخوام بمونم، تو برو. وای وای.
سکوت. آسمون بالا گلر نکن بین ابرا.
After 15 grueling kilometers of heart-pounding climbs and rugged terrain, we finally rolled into Darapani. Exhausted but exhilarated, we picked a cozy hostel to call home for the night. The moment we stepped inside, dripping from the chilly air, we asked the host for a steaming cup of milk tea, chai, to warm our hands and souls.
For Alivar, we said
Tomorrow the adventure continues as we pedal toward the village of Shami. Stick with us to see what stories the mountains have in store next. Like, comment, and subscribe our channel to get the next videos.